So Peter, as we were walking by, I had to stop and look at this 8600 washer.
It is gorgeous. It's got all those features we talked about in the 8400. There's a couple things that I really love. You've seen me eat before, so you know I love to pre-treat my shirts.
A little bit of spaghetti,
I
right?
mean, I've got a faucet mode on here that I love. I tap faucet. My faucet is ready. Now, it doesn't have water hookup, but pretend it would be. There'd be a waterfall coming down here. I can pre-treat my stains, and it'll auto-drain when I close that back again with that soft close hinge.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry about going to the laundry tub, pre-treating everything, pulling that wet, soppy shirt or pants or
Across
whatever,
the house.
and throwing it right into the washer.
Perfect.
So, and this does have LG's AI technology, right?
Correct. So you've got much like we have in a lot of our front loads. We've now added that in top load. So this will weigh it, check the soil level, and you can use an AI clean. So you can choose your wash cycles right here. So you can choose an AI wash that will just pick it for you. But you've got a number of other cycles if you want to pick the most perfect cycle for your needs. And just leave it up to LG. You can take out the cycles you don't need, or even add other cycles if you love laundry so much that you need more cycles.
Yeah, most of us only use a couple cycles anyway,
Exactly.
so you can delete those cycles if you don't use them.
Yeah, it makes it easier to use, and if you want to bring them back, it's no problem. I can do it right through here or through the ThinkQ app. And as we talked about on the inside, because it's got AI, it knows exactly how much detergent to use. So you can add up to 25 loads of laundry, and if you fill this both sides up with detergent, or you can do detergent and softener, and it'll pick the right amount of detergent for that load and fabric type. That means less detergent, less wear on the machine, less wear on your clothes. That's great.
Yeah, because everybody tends to use way too much detergent. So if the machine is going to figure out exactly how much detergent based on the load size,
Exactly.
It's going to save you in detergent, but the life expectancy on the machine will go up, but also our clothes will stay, much more vibrant.
Correct.
And one last thing, let's just go back and just talk about this tub and how easy it is to get into.
Well, it was pretty amazing. I watched you do it before. Without taking my feet off the ground, I can reach right in, and here's one for you right there.
Thank you.
This easy unload feature, we've effectively given you 3 extra inches of reach by changing the angle here, and and also by raising the tub. Anyone can reach in and use a top load laundry machine.
Yes, you're not sacrificing capacity just for ease of getting into
Right.
the machine.
Still 5.5 cubic feet of space. Amazing.
LG, home run again.
That's it.